Hey, Sean Bailey, and welcome to this video today where we're going to talk about how to 4x your email list without complex funnels or trying to figure this all out by yourself. So if you want to make more sales with less work, if you want to use Instagram automation to do all the work, we are here to show you how to monetize your Instagram by growing your email list. Now, my goal for this web class here is I want to help people who want to stop losing leads to the competition. I want to help people grow the most valuable asset in your business. So I want to tell you a quick story here. So do you remember the big Facebook outage of 2021? A quick recap is that Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, all of them were down, and they were down for hours. Now, businesses that relied heavily on social media were basically freaking out, because if your business only made sales when you posted on social media, or your brand was all about being an influencer, you were basically screwed. Do you know what the other business owners did, the ones who had big lists? Do you know what they said during this outage? Nothing. They wrote an email to their list, they made sales, and they went on with their day because they didn't have to rely on social media. So the reason I'm telling you this is that because the only way for you to make more sales from Instagram is to build your email list. And the way to do that is to use automated conversations to move people off the Instagram algorithm and onto your email list that you own and you control. Besides being devilishly handsome, I'm a certified conversion expert and a professional copywriter. I love building out sales processes and using digital tools, and I believe that every business needs digital marketing that grows their email list. Now, I'll give you the quick version of the story is when I first started out, I wanted to start a business online, make some money online. And I tried and failed at a lot of things, and it got so difficult, it got to the point where I really thought about giving up. And, maybe the online business wasn't for me. What happened was my wife was diagnosed with lung cancer, and we successfully went through surgery and treated it. But as I watched her go through that process, her strength is what showed me that I could never give up on what I wanted to achieve. So I took action, I got certified, I learned about building sales funnels, and learned about digital marketing and selling, and now here I am today. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about a person I worked with named Lena, who went from 0 to hundreds of subscribers and made immediate sales using automation on Instagram. In fact, we're going to cover 3 major things today here. So the first thing we're going to cover is how to generate an instant list of subscribers using a simple giveaway. Next, we'll talk about why you don't need to be a digital marketing or technical expert to monetize your Instagram followers. And lastly, I'm going to show you how you can generate new subscribers from Instagram 24 hours a day and do it all on autopilot. So let's jump right into this. So secret number 1, we're going to talk about how to generate an instant list of subscribers using a simple giveaway. Now, some people might think, well, I don't really understand how this Instagram automation would work for me in my business. So let me tell you a quick story about Lena. Now, she runs an Instagram page called Pure Vegan Food, and she is an influencer online, and she had over 255,000 followers when I met up with her. She's basically out there making the world a better place. She is a pro-vegan chef, and when I say full-on vegan, when you go to her Instagram page and see some of the pictures of her kitchen, she actually doesn't even own an oven. Right? She's full blown when it comes to the pure raw vegan food lifestyle. So we just kind of met online, and when I met her, she was struggling with building her email list. And basically she was kind of stuck in that loop where she had to create content nonstop in order to be seen on Instagram. And here's the fun fact. Instagram, when you put out a post, it only shows your post to about 8% of your followers. So what about the rest of them, right? So we happened to meet up by chance on Instagram. I saw her page, I reached out to her, and we started talking, and everything quickly changed after we started talking. We decided to work together and run a simple giveaway using some Instagram automation and some of the new features that had just become available inside Instagram. But the main problem was that she didn't have anything to give away. So we wanted to run a giveaway, but we didn't have anything to give away. In the end, what we wound up doing was reaching out to some companies who had approached her in the past, companies who had asked her to promote their products because she was an Instagram influencer. So it was all said and done. We had a $550 item donated to us for the giveaway. All we had to do was run the giveaway and share the email list with the company providing the giveaway item, which meant we were good to go for this giveaway. We did the giveaway, and the results were pretty shocking. By the time that we were done running the contest, the giveaway, we had over 300 unique contacts. That's 300 subscribers inside this messenger platform that I'm going to show you more about. But what's even more important is that we collected over 200 unique email addresses, 234 email addresses collected from this giveaway. And the stats on this were actually pretty astounding because 84% of the people that we showed this message sequence to clicked on the option to say, yes, I will give you my email address. After that, we had a link for people to go and do some shopping straight away. Now, 6% of the people would go and click that link and go right over to the sales page to go and do some shopping. And lastly, we had a delay and then a final call to action, which actually had a 7% click-through rate to go back to the sales page to do some more shopping. So she had some pretty cool results from this as far as some extra stuff that happened. We had some free ebook downloads, which had links to go and buy other products of hers. She sold 2 of her books and sold 5 more juicers, which were, over $500 items. So she made some affiliate sales off that as well. And this was all running a giveaway that was completely automated, that she didn't have to buy any ads for, and do it with an item that she was giving away from a company that she has worked with or that's approached her in the past. So another cool stat is that 72% of people, when we gave them the option to share the giveaway with their friends on Instagram, click the button to say, yes, I will go ahead and share this. And the cool thing is that generated more traffic to the Instagram post with the giveaway, which in turn got more people into the automation. So it was basically like free traffic. And more people than not, 72% of people said, yeah, I'll share this post. So that was really awesome to see that during the giveaway as well. Now, last time I checked in on her account here, she's got over 800 contacts inside of ManyChat, which is the messenger platform that we use, and it just keeps going up every single day. So the cool thing is that you can give away a product even if you don't have a product to give away. You can use other brands, leverage their products that they have, and basically offer to share the email list with them after the giveaway. Right? It won't be hard to get people to agree with this because this is a completely win-win situation. So what the secret sauce of this is that you need to have a link to a promotion inside of the giveaway sequence, right? Once they enter the giveaway, we give them the option to, hey, here's a discount code. It's limited time. Just click the button below to go over to the sales page and use this limited time promo code. And it needs to be a limited time promo code, right? If you say it lasts for 48 hours, at hour 49, that promo code needs to go away. They need to be able to go over there, try it out, and go, oh crap, I missed out on this, because there's nothing worse than false scarcity, right? So that's how we leverage a giveaway. So let's talk about secret number 2, why you don't need to be a digital marketing or technical expert to monetize your Instagram followers. Now, some people might think, well, I'm not really good with the technical stuff, and working with online tools isn't really my bag. So I just want to show you that you can set up a simple automation really in less than 10 minutes, and we're probably going to do it a lot faster than that. So we're going to take a look at an example. I'm going to show you how to create a subscriber list, collect an email address, and drive to a sale, right? And we can do that with a simple automation that builds a VIP list. So people get notifications about your products and sales before anyone else, because this gives the opportunity to use some exclusivity to get people to want to sign up for this. So let's cut over and take a look at the automation itself. Okay, so let's take a look here inside this automation, and we're going to just go through this, and I'm going to show you how easy it would be to build these pieces out here. So the first thing is we have a starting step, something that's going to kick off this automation here, right? So inside here, we can see our starting step is the keyword leads. So if someone sends the word leads, sends that in a direct message to us, that's going to start this automation, right? So here we can see, I'm excited that you're interested in learning more about marketing. Enter your email below so I know where to send your How to Get New Leads ebook. So here we can see we've got a lead magnet, something that's going to be used to draw people in. It could be, like we say, we want to get people onto a VIP list. So all we do is we just go in here and just edit this. So here, I'm excited that you're interested in, and we just start editing and becoming a VIP member. Enter your email below so I know where to send your private notifications I think I spelled it wrong. Yeah. Notifications so that you get early access. And we can delete this. I like the little finger emoji pointing them down to the email field below where they can type in their email address. And then we just have this part here. By entering email below, you give us permission to send you, we'll say, we'll just take this out and say related promotions. To send you promotions. We promise not to spam you. Perfect, right? We could even put in something that explains why this is good for them. So we put in here, our stuff sells out regularly, so this way you'll never miss out. Something like that, right? We can make it prettier. Yeah, we can move this down a line. There we go. And put a space in there so it reads nice. Boom. Now the next part below here is that we've got a field for them to enter their email address. So we're setting this up as email. It's going to collect their email, save this email to a system field, set email opt-in. So basically we're telling them in this line here, by entering your email address, you're giving permission for us to send you stuff, right? So we're saying you're basically, if you put in your email, you're opting in to hear from us. So they put in their email address, and then it goes on to the next step here. And here we see, perfect, your ebook will be sent to, and then it's got the email address in the next 24 hours. So perfect, you are now a VIP. Okay, so we'll edit this and say, so congratulations, you are now a VIP. We will send you insider access to the following email before anyone else gets to see the deals. Something like that. And we will to the following email, and let's just clean this up here. So it's going to show the email that they just entered, and you'll get insider. Oops, you get insider access to the following email. You'll get priority over everyone else. Kind of like that. If you use Gmail, please look for the VIP, say VIP emails inside your promotions folder. So there we go. That's really, it doesn't need to be like complex, multi-step, huge, huge amount of steps here and really complicated. It really just needs to be a couple messages, because all we need is the give them a reason to enter their email address and explain why it's going to benefit them, and that's it. So with this simple two-step automation, what's going to happen is we're going to get them as a contact inside of ManyChat here. But once they enter the email address, then we get that information as well. So we can, link this program up to different email service providers. Like, I think Constant Contact is one. MailChimp is one. If we have a look at the settings here and go into integration. So we can see we can connect this up to Shopify, Klaviyo, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, HubSpot, ConvertKit. So we can go and have these things connected so that those emails get added to our existing email list and just keep building it for us, right? And you can see even with just something simple like a little VIP list that doesn't need to be very complicated, now we can start building subscribers and collecting email addresses. So now you can see as far as starting to understand how these automations can help your business, right? Because we can use those automated conversations to collect email addresses, direct over to sales pages. We can use it to recover carts that people have abandoned. And this is huge because globally, the average is 77% of carts get abandoned. Once people go and put something in, they go take off and do something else. If you look at it by devices on phones, it's even bigger. It's over 80%, right? And this is according to barleyants.com, where I got these numbers from here. But If you go and search around, you're going to see the numbers for cart abandonments are huge, and being able to implement this automatically using automation inside Instagram is a big one. And more importantly, this frees up time. This means that you don't have to go and do more replying to direct messages that you really don't need to, that you can go and automate so you can, free up your time and do other things. As you can see, it's really easy to go in and build an Instagram automation in just a few minutes because all it uses is simple drag and drop tools where we put in some links to pages, put in some emojis, put in some text, and that's really it. And the great thing is that you can completely customize this for your business, and it will basically do anything that you want it to. So take a look at secret number 3. Or I'm going to show you how you can generate new subscribers from Instagram 24 hours a day and do it on autopilot. Now, you might be saying, like, I don't know how I can use this to get traffic and sales without creating Instagram content nonstop. Well, let me explain. You see, there's different triggers that let you automate conversations that build your list and make sales. And you can use some or all of the following types of triggers. So one of them is post comments. And again, this brings us back to the giveaway that I showed you earlier here. So we can go and have people on that giveaway post, tell them to comment the keyword prize, right? If they type in the word prize, they are into the contest. And what that will do is start an automation and you get a new subscriber. Another one is direct message automation. So we could have something in our bio where it says DM the word, like expert. What happens? It kicks off an automation and you guessed it, we get a new subscriber. Another one is conversation starters. So people who don't even follow your page, don't know anything about your business, if they come across your page on Instagram, we can see we have this kind of pre-filled out with common questions that people might ask. So people, maybe they don't want to order from your business or do business with you unless they know that you offer free shipping, right? Or maybe they want to kind of browse your products in advance, and they can do that without following your Instagram page with these conversation starters. So what happens is they get the information that they want, and it starts off an automation, which means you get a new subscriber. Lastly, we've got story mentions. So because you put out such a kick-ass product, people get it, they open the box, they go and record an Instagram story, and they tag you in it. By doing that, we can have those things set up to catch those story mentions and go and start an automation, which means, you get a new subscriber. Now, this is important because it gives us multiple ways for people to become subscribers into a list that you own. Every automation subscriber gives you a chance to collect email and SMS information for your list. Now, here's why this is important. Omnipresent is being omnipresent is the goal that we're aiming for here, right? Let's say you're marketing to your list. Right? You've got a sale coming out, some type of promotion. So you send out one email, right? Essentially, that's nothing. Because when you are omnipresent, that means that you can send out an email to your promotion, you can send out a text message to your promotion, and you can send out a messenger message to your promotion, and people are going to say, okay, I need to check this out, right? If I get one email, I might open it, I might read it, maybe not. But if I get those 3 messages all within the span of like 5 or 10 minutes, I'm going to go check that out because something's going on and it's worth my time to do it, right? So you want to just send out one kind of weak marketing message, or do you want to be omnipresent and be able to use all those different channels? That's why we use Instagram automation. So I want to ask you, do you see how Instagram automation can work for your business? Because today we've talked about how to generate a list of subscribers using a simple giveaway, why you don't need to be a digital marketing expert or really technical in order to monetize your Instagram followers. And you saw how you can generate new subscribers from Instagram 24 hours a day, doing it on autopilot, using some of the new triggers that are available for these automations. So I want to ask you, who wants to take this to the next level? If that's you, you should get really excited right about now, because what I want to show you is what I call the Instagram Automation Domination Service. And here's what it's all about. We want to help you make more sales with less work and set up Instagram automations to do all the work so you start seeing results in 1 week or less. And you do it without losing leads to the competition or suffering from declining sales. Now, here's what you get inside this service here. Inside the Instagram Automation Domination is where we go in and set up a complete IG automation setup for you. And we set up a custom Instagram automation campaigns for you, right? Whether it's DM keyword, conversation starters, or story mention automations. We set those up for you. It's all done for you if you are the right fit. Now, we only work with select e-commerce businesses. So let's talk and see if we can help you start dominating on Instagram. You will be the first to use this new marketing method, or your competition will. So you decide. Now, who does this work for? Well, you're an e-commerce business who wants to monetize their Instagram followers and do less work. You want to grow your email list of subscribers. You want a shortcut. You're already making some sales with email marketing, and if you're not using email marketing, that's okay. We can evaluate and see if we can help you, even if you're not using email marketing. But now, after watching this information here, you know and understand that growing your email list, getting a bigger email list is always the goal. And you want to work with me and my team and have these custom automations bring in new subscribers for you every single day. So if you qualify to work with us, step 1 is that we dive into your business and create an ideal customer profile. Step 2 is that we create the campaigns for your unique business. Step 3 is that we turn the key and start watching new subscribers and new sales come in. So here's the thing. If you qualify, we will likely do some type of giveaway automation. It's a great campaign. It works really fast to get subscribers. It has a link inside the campaign for people to go and do some shopping. And with a proper scarcity in place, it generates sales during the giveaway while it's running. Now, another giveaway that we ran here, the great thing about this is I can't promise you any results or any types of rates that you're going to get, but we've seen certain trends by doing this multiple times here. Now, another client of ours did, again, they ran a giveaway, and this client had an 82% opt-in rate for people who put their email address inside the system when we prompted them inside the message here, right? We sent this out to 57 different people, 47 people put in their email address. So over 82% opt-in rate. What's crazy is inside these automations, because people are already conditioned to use Messenger apps on their phone, and we had a 98% open rate for the messages that were sent inside the automation. Like, you just don't get those types of numbers inside of email marketing, right? And again, inside this same giveaway here, when we look at the rates here, as far as the open rates on this, 100% of these messages were delivered, 100% of the messages were open. How would you like 100% open rate on the messages that you send out to your list, telling you, when you're going and telling them to go and buy from you? And like I say, these are just way higher rates than email marketing. When we want to use both channels, we want to be able to use Messenger and we want to be able to use email, but right now, these rates inside Messenger are just absolutely astounding, and I want to be able to put them to work for you. So all you have to do is just click the link in the description or go to certifiedmarketinglabs.com/dominate, and I will see you inside.